Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Wallee Odoo connector by BrowseInfo. It enables seamless integration between your Odoo system and the Wallee payment gateway. This powerful module allows businesses to accept and manage online payment directly within Odoo using Wallee's secure infrastructure. It supports multiple payment methods, automatic transaction updates, and real-time synchronization of payment status, helping streamline financial operation and enhance customer checkout experiences. So first of all, go into the website, open your website module. Under configuration, you will find the menu for payment providers. Here, open the menu payment provider, and here you will find the payment provider name Wallee. Open that, and here you can see the payment provider Wallee with its state enabled. You need to enable it. After that, you need to add the credentials like the Wallee user ID. Here you can see I have entered Wallee user ID, Wallee API key, and Wallee space ID. After entering all this, just save this credentials. Now we will go into the site to the home page and we will go to our shop. Now add some products into the cart, but before that, here I will show you my Wallee account. Here you can see my Wallee account with its transaction opened. Now again we will come to the website and we are going to add some products into the cart. Here I will be adding conference chairs to my cart. Now click on proceed to checkout, and here you can see in the cart there was already customizable desk added. So we are going to check out these two products. Click on checkout, and here you can see the delivery address and you can choose your delivery method as your choice. So I have selected standard delivery method. Now click on confirm, and here you need to choose a payment provider. Here I have chosen Wallee as my payment provider. Now click on pay now. Here you can see that your payment is being processed. Here you need to add your card details. So first I will be adding my card holder name. So I will be adding BrowseInfo, and all my information is saved. So just by clicking on that, my card number, expiry date, and security code will be updated. After entering your card details, you need to add your billing information. So here you need to add the name and the family name. So here I am adding my family name, and after that you need to add the street. So add your street, your country, your state, and everything. Just update your state in here. I am entering my state, and select your country and update your postcode and your city. After all this, just enter your email address. I will be entering my email address as admin@browseinfo.in. After this, select your gender. I will be selecting female, and now just click on pay. Here you can see your payment is processing. Here you will be redirected to the thank you page. You can see your order number and your payment information. Here you can see the order number, and under payment information you can see your payment provider with the total amount. Now after this, we will be hop on to our Wallee transactions. Here we will come to the Wallee account, and in transactions we are going to refresh our page, and here you can see that our sale order has been updated in here. You can see the transaction we just created. You can see the state, you can see the customer name, additional amount, country, currency created on, and every little detail regarding your transaction in here. Now we will go into our Odoo interface, and under configuration we will be going into the payment transaction. Open that, and here you can see the transaction we just created. You can see the reference, you can see the payment, you can see the amount of your transaction, and you can see the payment method, and you can see the payment provider, and every little detail regarding your transaction in here. You can also see the state of the transaction is confirmed. Here you will find a smart button for sale order. Open that, and you can see the sale order for our transaction. Here you can see the sale order number, customer, your products, your standard delivery, everything in here. And in the chatter also you can see the history. Now again we will hop on to the home page, and we will go into the shop. Now we will be adding a product into the cart, so I will be adding 3-seat sofa. Just add it to your cart and go to your cart. Now again, after adding the product into our cart, we are going to click on checkout, and here we will click on confirm. Now again, we will choose our payment method as Wallee, and we are going to click on pay now. Now here you can see your payment is processing. Now, instead of adding my card details and every other detail, I will find a button for cancel payment. So just click on cancel payment. Here you can see that your payment has been cancelled. You can see this cancelled order number and the payment information in here. Now, after this, if I go into my Wallee account in transaction, if I refresh my page again, here you can see that your cancel transaction is also updated into your Wallee account. Here you can see the status, you can see the amount, currency, and created on date and time. Not only in here, but if you go into the configuration by going into the editor, here go into the payment transaction. In here also you can see the cancel transaction. Here you can see the reference, amount, payment method, payment provider, and you can see the status cancel of this transaction. And if you go into the sale order also, you can see the sale order for your cancelled transaction. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.